Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram disabled account. To know how to fix Instagram disabled account, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will see this list you will go down to the application of Instagram here like this. After that, in this page you will go to force stop, and here you will enter to storage, and then in this page you will go to clear cache, and here you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.